Welcome back to a windy day here on the homestead. We're pretty excited. We just got us a 24 kW backup generator. The wait times right now for generators are insane. Right now in our area, it's about a 6-month wait to get a generator. And we were looking around, and most of them are 22 kW generators. And so we were checking with Lowe's, and they actually have 24 kWs that you can get in 3 to 7 days. Could not believe it. So, it's nice because a 24 is actually capable of running 100 amps continuous. So that's pretty sweet. So that's what we ended up going with. So we ordered it last Thursday, picked it up on Tuesday. So got it here. I'm gonna get ready to, we just went to the hardware store, picked up some concrete. I'm gonna make a little pad for it to sit on. That way we can anchor it down so it don't vibrate around and move. So gonna be doing that. Been under the weather for about a week and a half. Had a head cold that just will not go away. But starting to get a little better, thankful for that. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun, exciting day. Once we get this done, we're gonna work on the pasture area back here. Gonna put Mama in the tractor, I think, and I'm gonna walk around with the kids picking up rocks and sticks and stuff and try to get that so we can keep it mowed. So thank y'all so much for joining us. Hope you enjoy the video today. Our plan is to put the generator and pad right here. Ground's really unlevel from when we built the house. Good lordy, look at that spider. Oh boy. And he gone. Lock on both sides. How about That came from out of nowhere. It's just a feeder ban off that hurricane. But it feels good. It's just not great for concrete work, but we're gonna take a 5-minute breather. It'll last about 3 minutes. So, taking a couple minutes of a breather here, getting me some Bluebell cookies and cream ice cream, and then I'm gonna jump back on this and get it done. We'll let that sit for a few and then we'll broom it. There it is. It is all done. Got it broomed, and then I went around the perimeter one more time and smoothed the edges just for some extra character. I made it 30 inches wide by 53 inches long, and that's 3 inches bigger than this pallet that it's sitting on, and that's pretty much the size of the generator. So I'll have 1.5 inch reveal all the way around, and that'll give me plenty to be able to mount it down to the pad and then put the little trim pieces around it, which they stick out just a little bit right there. So, and that hides everything. So I'm gonna let it set up, and then we'll remove the form boards probably later this evening. But that wasn't too bad. It took 5.5 bags of the 80-pound bags of concrete to make, and that's 3.5 inches thick, the thickness of a 2x4. That's not too bad. This is our rock crew. We're going around picking up all the rocks, throwing them in the bucket, and then we're making a pile over there by that tree. Making it where we can mow. Once we're done with the rocks, we're gonna come back and get sticks. Of course, we had to take a dip in the pool to cool off for a little bit too. That was a big rock there, man. We see it? Oh wow, that's a big piece of flint rock there. Cool. Oh, careful. Cool. Careful, bud. Good job. Okay, watch out, buddy. Don't get behind her. Well, that's gonna be a wrap for this time. It's been a hot day. I mean, the temperature was about 91, 92, something like that, but the heat index with the humidity was like 104, and it was just miserable. I almost got too hot like twice. We had to go in and kind of chill for a few minutes, get some water and stuff, but I'll be glad when this month's over with. We move into September and hopefully start getting a little bit of lower humidity and cooler temperatures. But anyway, if you guys like our videos, please hit the like button, and be sure to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. We'd love to have you a part of our channel. Yeah, that's going to be all for this time, but we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.